Alright, welcome back to Cooking with Jerry. And Jerry's now going to put this recipe together. So he's going to scoop 1.5 cups into our recipe, waffles. Okay. Is that your half? Okay. Or do you want to do the one first? It's up to you. Okay. Good. Good. Pour it in. You might want to take that egg out of there and put it in the back there. Okay. Go ahead. Put it in. I'm trying to get Jerry in the shot as well. Okay. He's going to be using a little bit of milk. Very little milk, by the way. Just like maybe a tablespoon of milk. Okay. Okay, and you also want to put in another cup of the Belgian mix. Okay. The egg and the oil make it moist enough so that you don't have to use a lot of milk. But we might want to put a little bit more in there because I think 1 tablespoon is probably a little bit not enough. Let's put it that way. So we'll adjust it. So. Okay. Good. Go ahead. Okay. Now you need 3 teaspoons of oil, or 3 tablespoons of oil, I'm sorry. It's early, sorry. Good job. Now I would put like maybe 4 more teaspoons of milk in there, or tablespoons rather. I keep saying teaspoons. 4 more tablespoons of milk in there because that'll make it just about right. Okay. Now you want to get the whisk from over here. Good. And start whisking. Put that in the sink. Okay. Go ahead and whisk it. Okay. So while he's whisking this, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off for now. But this is Cooking with Jerry, and this is video number 2, and Jerry's making waffles. So thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye for now.